Thank you, universe, for the magnificent gift of life. I am so grateful to be alive today. Thank goodness I can breathe in the power of life every wonderful moment of the day. I am grateful to have experiences that help me to grow emotionally and spiritually in my life. Thank you for my inner strength that always helps me to overcome any challenge I encounter. Thank you so much for my open mind and heart that always guide me in a positive and good direction. The best and the highest surrounds me and protects me with powerful and healing energy at every moment. Thank you for that. Thank you for the healthy food that I am blessed with eating at every meal. Thank you for the fresh water that I drink every day. Thank you so much. These are generous gifts from Mother Nature, and I thank you for your generosity and for taking care of me. Thank you so much for keeping me healthy. How wonderful it is to see, hear, taste, touch, and smell all of the beautiful things on this earth. Thank you very much for my remarkable senses. I appreciate my amazing brain because it allows me to think, to feel, to love, and to live every memorable day. Thank you so much for helping me function perfectly. All of the different parts of my body are unique and specially created to make me. I am so grateful for my friends who lift me up when I am down. Thank you for my friends who I love dearly. Thank you for the talents and skills that I am allowed to share with the world. I always remember that it's okay to be who I am. I am different and unique, and I accept myself exactly as I am. Thank you for making me a good and special person. Thank you dearly for creating me. The more thankful I am, the more prosperous and successful I become. Thank you, universe, for always making sure that I'm okay. I always know that things have a precious way of working out for the best in the end. I am thankful for the protective light that continuously saturates my being with love, goodness, kindness, empathy, and generosity. Gratitude generates abundance, and I am grateful for my abundant prosperity. A peaceful energy fills me with happiness and comfort. Thank you very much for showering my life with goodness. I embrace the good in this world wholeheartedly and am thankful for the beautiful love I am blessed with experiencing every day. No matter how small the act of kindness or goodness may be, it abundantly overpowers and eliminates all negativity around me. All of it. Thank you for the power of positive energy. I believe in it and accept it completely. Thank you for this dear and special life. Thank you for gentle love. Thank you.